Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Discord tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-assign roles when a new user joins a server using the MEE6 bot. So following the steps in this tutorial will allow you to have roles automatically assigned to any user that joins your server. And we're going to be using a free bot to do that. So the first thing we need to actually do is go to our web browser and go to MEE6.xyz, and that's me with two E's, and check the description. I'll have the link down there, so that we can set up the free bot and actually give it access to our server and things like that. So once you go to MEE6.xyz, simply go into the top right corner and select login. Then all you need to do is log into your Discord account and then give access to MEE6 to your account. So go down to the bottom and select authorize. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the dashboard of MEE6 and logged into your account, where you can select the server that you want to set up MEE6 on. So as you can see, I have two servers here. I'll be doing this on the Gauging Gadgets test server. So just go over and select Set up MEE6. This will open up a new window where then we simply select the server we want to add the bot to. So find it in the list and then select Continue. Well, after that, you simply need to decide which roles MEE6 will have on your server. So make sure you go through this and you don't give it anything that you don't want it to have, and then go down to the bottom and select authorize. As you can see right here, MEE6 is a very popular bot. It's currently used on over 7 million servers. So I'll select authorize, go through the CAPTCHA, and then there you go. It was added to my server. So now when I go to the test server right here, I have a new online user, and that's going to be the MEE6 bot. And now before I can auto assign any roles, I need to make sure that I have a role created on my server that I actually want to give to any new users that join my server. And to do that, what I need to do is go up to the top of the server next to the name and select the down arrow. Once the menu opens, go down and select Server Settings. And then in Server Settings in the left sidebar, select Roles. So now we can go ahead and add a new role. And we do that by right next to roles selecting the plus symbol. And you can name the role. I'm just going to name it New User Test. You can go through, change all the role settings and the permissions for that role, but this is just an example, so I'm just going to create it and then name it. Go ahead and change the color as well. Once you've created your role and you have all the permissions set up, go ahead and select Save at the bottom. And then you can exit out of the server settings. Now we can go back to the browser and go to the MEE6 dashboard and make sure up here that you have the correct server selected. And in the menu here, select Welcome. As you can see, we have a couple different options here. What we need to do is find Give a Role to New Users, and then just toggle that on. And then just select the role that we want to give. And I'm going to choose New User Test, which is the one we just created. Now what we need to do is go to the bottom of MEE6, select Save. And as you can see, we just had a new user join the server. And then in the online user list, they're green. And when I click on their username, we can see that they have the new user test role. So that's how you auto-assign roles to any new users on your Discord server using the MEE6 bot. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Discord tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.